You're back with us right here on the morning show on ETV. It is, of course, just a few minutes before we close down, and there's a lot of laughter in here. One, because I'm still eating my beautiful bao bun, but also Polele is literally very excited. This is her type of food.
I'm also excited.
Come on.
You have just made my life.
Thank you.
You have made my entire life. I am just...
Polele was like off air, like, hey, I'm take this for the scarf.
I'm taking this as something like...
Guys,
I'm just going to like sneak out of studio with this.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Was all of this made in our kitchen?
Okay. So this was made at home by me. What I made in the kitchen was your tofu Buddha Bowl.
Gorgeous tofu Buddha Bowl.
And my
Oh
tofu.
my word.
Yeah.
This is black rice.
Yes.
That is black rice.
Oh my word.
This is gorgeous.
Look how gorgeous we crisp that with.
And these are like what edamame beans.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well
nice.
done.
Okay.
Well done.
No,
I love that you know
I
your
know my food.
You love,
and
you know your
I
food.
love a colorful plate as
Yeah.
well.
She does.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm like, I am sneaking out. I'm literally sneaking out with this ball.
Right, so the second thing we made in the kitchen today, of course, are these bao
The bao
buns
buns.
with the seitan chicken.
Yeah.
I've learned something today.
What's seitan chicken? That I
Let
don't
Chef Videhi tell
So
you.
seitan chicken is actually made from flour, like wheat flour.
Okay.
So there is a process where
it's a
we
meat
actually-
alternative.
It's a meat alternative,
Okay.
which is very high in protein.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
No, you've
Yeah.
made my life. You've made my life because
My work is done.
no, I'm currently not eating meat, so
Yeah.
you have just
Oh,
literally
yeah.
given me ideas on how I can actually like still like enjoy
sushi.
the goodness of like going to a restaurant in my own home.
Yes. Look at that. Look
Right.
at that.
Leroy.
Right? I mean, look how
Right.
fancy
Guys.
is the sushi, and it's
Hi,
so
let's
easy
dig
to
in.
make.
Right, it's like,
Right in my
Yes,
feet.
yes, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, where would you suggest we start?
You can start with the tofu bowl. The tofu Buddha Bowl.
I mean,
Yes,
you didn't
my
tell her twice.
tofu
There
Buddha
we
bowl.
go.
I
You
would
had
say
your
some
eye on that
sushi.
one.
Oh my
Right?
gosh. Okay, so how do I do it? Do I take the soy sauce and,
So now
and
when we
splash
take
it
this
around?
yeah,
Or?
you can take that and just splash a little around. So
Okay.
what people normally do is like, you know, sometimes they pour everything over. So just
Just a little.
a little,
Right.
just a little, just to bring out that flavor. Because all the ingredients there are raw, and we just want to bring up that
That's
flavor.
my favorite
Right?
thing because
Yeah.
all the
I mean, look at
nutrition
how-
remains.
Yes,
and,
yes.
Oh
yeah.
my goodness.
So this tofu bowl is a nutrition dense bowl. You know,
Yes.
that's
Look at
beautiful.
Brighton's face.
Right? Right? Yeah. So this is what I
Time of his
like.
life.
This is what I like. You know, that sounds. Right? And can you believe that it is vegan?
I love it.
Right?
Chef
I mean,
Videhi, I must
yeah,
say that
yeah.
like your sushi is rolled so perfectly.
Thank you.
You've definitely mastered that because I've tried this once at home
Uh-huh.
and I cried. It didn't look like this.
You just splash some
Just a little,
soy
just a
sauce and
little.
then you mix.
No, just remember you can do this any way you want. You can mix everything together, or you can eat, you know, things individually. But I feel that it's actually nice to just mix it. You get this different textures and the flavors all coming through. Are we good here? You know, I always like to
When
give
we
thumbs
don't
up.
talk, I mean we have to talk, we're on TV, but when we don't talk, you know.
You guys can talk.
Can I taste the dumplings?
Can I bring it for you? Right? Right. So this is a spicy. Can I put it in for you? Right? You can put this here.
Here we go.
Right?
Yo.
So this,
Oh
I
my
have
gosh.
actually a very special dip. You can try this here. It's got some coriander. Are you okay with coriander?
Nice, yeah.
Right?
We don't have chopsticks, but Asians also eat with their hands.
You know what?
We spoke
Whatever-
about it earlier. We
whatever
dig
works
in
for
with
you.
our hands
Yes,
because
dig
then
in
we're
with your
using all
hands.
our senses.
There we go.
We're tasting,
Thank
we're
you.
seeing. So it's a beautiful thing.
Like, what else can I offer you?
Yes,
something
I
else?
would love one of those dumplings as well, please.
Right? So,
Sure. Is this even still a show, guys? We are just eating. This is really delicious.
that's a good
and-
sign. You know,
Where can
when
people
people are
get your
getting very
recipes?
comfortable. Right, my recipes, you can get it on my website.
Okay.
It's videhi.co.za.
Chef.
Right?
Videhi.co.za.
And all these recipes are on my website. I've actually dedicated like 20 years of my life creating all these recipes. Right? And they're all for free. Right? So just go to videhi.co.za.
Temes family, I hope you've taken notes
Yeah.
because this is amazing.
I would also
Who
love you
needs
to try.
meat?
Thank
What is
you,
this?
Leroy. So these are my mock fish rice balls. Right? Please try these.
Just look at that.
Like those arancini balls. That's
Now
all.
you see me. Now
There we go. There we go. Now, if you
Okay,
want, you can add any sauce that you want, but I feel that it will take away from this. I
So
just
just
want
eat
you,
it as
I
is.
just want you to
Okay.
taste it.
Look, we
Right?
are just going to
Right.
continue to taste CMS family.
Yeah.
Your recipe books, I hope you have them out to prepare dinner tonight. We are enjoying and closing off the show so nicely with our food. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Yo, I can eat the whole day. Yeah.
That's cheeky.